Well, this is Jeff once more. Uh, this time, this is a improvised video. I'm gonna just wing it, which is most of my videos. But I'm running out of items that are next to me, so I kind of have to look far. Maybe even buy something. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. This camera. CoolPix. It says CoolPix. I'll take a picture of myself. Okay, it's broken. Um, 0 out of 10. There's no functionality. I like the little screen though. It's very nice. Pretty sure I have some old pictures on here. So for that, I'll give it a 1 out of 10. Actually, yeah. Let's see what to review next. My favorite pencil. Uh, this is a Bic .7 millimeter. Can't see it. Whatever. .7 millimeter HB number two. Um, number two pencil for your PSSAs. Well, not this year, but PSSAs. Your keystones. Well, that's for Pennsylvania, but uh, yeah, whatever you guys do in Iowa for your test. I don't know. But yeah, this is good for that. For those little Scantron sheet. That's what that's called. Um, yeah, it's very quality feeling. You could just tell that this was made very well. The Altoids can fell. You could tell this was made very well. It's made with the quality plastic. There's something in my throat. I'm sorry. I need some water. Okay, I can continue now. Um, very nice. I'll write on something for you. Even I can write some cursive for you. I'll write my name. That's how I sign my name. You can forge it now. Have fun forging that. That's not actually how I write my signature. I made it a little different. Um, yeah. Okay. This pencil, 10 out of 10. Obviously, it's made with quality. The eraser is very nice too. Um, not the first use though, but after you use it the first time, it's easy to use after that. You could keep refilling this. You could use this for your entire life. I love it. All right, next thing to review. This clip has a magnet on it. I really love like things with magnets on them because you put them on your fridge, you put them on your other fridge, put them on your freezer even, and you can hang up stuff that your children have made, and it's very nice. Uh, Pretty sure I use this for closing like uh Cheeto bags, but I can't magnetize that. It's too heavy. It works with the clip functionality and the magnet. Not on there because that's some microphone. Uh, yeah. For this, 9 out of 10. The reason I give it 1 point less is because it could support a little bit more weight if you had a stronger magnet, but I just use it for closing chip bags. Um, Now I got a request for this. Um, I know I just drank some water, but uh, my friend wanted me to review water, so I'm gonna do that right now. This is the water that comes from my well, from my tap. We don't usually drink this kind of water. We usually get it from the fridge, but the filter on the fridge is red, and we have to replace it. So this is basically the same thing. I'll try. I'll give it a taste. Okay, this water. I don't know why, but like every time I drink my tap water, it tastes dusty. Like it just tastes like particles are floating in it, and I like that pure water, not this contaminated stuff. So it's it's hard when I swallow it. Um, it just feels like there's a lump going down my throat. Um, I'll do a longer review of water. Do a more uh, descriptive video in the future. I want to make it its standalone video, but this is just a little demo of what my water tastes like. If you want to know what it tastes like, I'll send it to you in the mail. You pay the shipping. All right. This is Jeff. Fill out the survey in the description. Uh, peace, y'all. This is Jeff.